Welcome to my review of the Lego Creator Ferrari F40. This set comes with 1,158 pieces, is in current production in the US, and you can grab it for $99.99. This is a great item to have in your Lego collection, especially if you're a car person like me. Now, some information on the real Ferrari F40. Real Ferrari F40 was produced from 1987 until 1992, with over 1,300 units produced. Nowadays, they go for about $1 million, but back in 1999, they were valued at around $400,000. Now, the Ferrari F40 was the last car approved by Enzo Ferrari, and it was designed for the 40th anniversary of Ferrari. So let's take a closer look at the model itself. There it is. Now, this is definitely a legendary car. And though I haven't had the chance to drive one in real life myself, I can definitely say that's a force to be reckoned with. With 471 horsepower, with the V8 and dual turbo, you definitely get a kick in the butt when you hit that gas pedal. Now, this set comes with a few features. You can open the doors, take a look at the interior, and the interior actually isn't too detailed other than the red seats. I was a little bit disappointed with the dashboard. I thought it would be a little bit more accurate to the real car, but I think Lego did a pretty good job with the space that they had. Now, if you go to the front end here, you can open this up and take a look at a very basic design of what I think is a coolant reservoir there, as well as possibly a battery. If you go to the rear of the car, you can really see that they did a great job making this look like the real thing, especially with the window over the engine. And if you look closely, you can actually see it in there. Now, if you pop the trunk here, or the hood, it's kind of hard with one hand, it comes with a little hood prop, and you open it up, stick it in here so you can display your engine. So let's take a look at it all opened up. Now, I've seen one of these cars in real life once in my life, and I have to say it is a stunning thing to see in real life, especially when you know the power that's behind it. It really is something else. I think Lego really captured the legacy of this car in this set. I definitely recommend picking this set up if you're a car enthusiast like myself, or even just like a good challenge for a build. One thing that I really liked about this set is, if you look here, the windshield is hinged, and it's actually a custom printed piece there, but they angled this perfectly so that when you hinge it down, it fits right there, which I thought was awesome and very satisfying. My one complaint about the build of this set is putting together the front hood here. Now, it locks in with a couple pins. Let's see if I can get a better view. A couple pins in the front here on these Technic rods, and I had a really hard time putting it together because first you put the bottom plates on. Oops, looks like the rear end fell apart. First you put the bottom plates on, and then you have to put everything else on top of it, and every time you go to push it down, parts would pop off. Now, that's not a big issue, but I did the speed build of this, so I couldn't pick it up every time I wanted to put a piece on it, otherwise it would have taken 10 years. Other than that, it was actually a really cool build. Another really interesting building technique used here was with these inlays. Now, if you look inside the hood, you can see they're actually clipped on right there. So you can, pretty sure I can still pop it out. Yeah, there we go. Perhaps. Yeah, there we go. So this pops out like that. So you can see how they really utilized shapes and geometry to complete the smoothness of this car. So that just slides right in and clicks in. Let's see, where did these come from? Aha! The exhaust guard came off. So as you can see, this is probably not really a play set, more of a collector's set. Which is okay with me, because I like to put everything that I have on display. And this is definitely an awesome addition to my Lego car collection. Hopefully you enjoyed this review, and I hope to be seeing you guys soon.